Tired of fighting and wrestling with PEX? Let Bluefin be the first to ring the bell. Bluefin's PEX Tube Uncoiler keeps tubing neatly under control, so you can pull, cut, and install without stepping into a ring. The weighted arms hold the tubing steady while you work, and an eyelet keeps it from tangling, so you don't have to stop every 5 minutes to straighten it out. No extra hardware, no extra steps. It really is that simple. Just set it up, feed the tube, and uncoil. The Bluefin PEX Tube Uncoiler is designed to handle PEX from 5/16 of an inch to 1 inch, and PEX-AL-PEX from 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. And when the job's done, the collapsible base makes it easy to pack up. Congrats on the title belt, champ! The Bluefin PEX Tube Uncoiler comes with a 2-year warranty and always ships free from Supplyhouse. Order yours today with fast nationwide shipping. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.